This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials and then creating the account. Sign into your personal Facebook, then go to Business. Facebook. And click Create Account. Enter your business name, business email, and primary page if prompted. Once done, verify your email and set a clear admin role for yourself. Make sure to use a business email, not a generic personal address, because Facebook uses that to recover access and send critical notifications and security prompts. Next, you add assets and people to run ads and manage pages. From business settings, link pages, ad accounts, Instagram profiles, pixels, and product catalogs. Invite team members by email and assign appropriate roles: admins for full control, employees for limited tasks, finance roles for billing. Once assets are added, assign permissions to each asset rather than blanket rights. If your account requests verification, complete business verification with legal documents. Finally, secure and finalize your business manager. Enable two-factor authentication for admins, add a valid payment method, and set billing thresholds or spending limits. Assign a dedicated finance user to manage invoices and verify tax settings. Once set, review the Security Center and audit log to confirm actions and permissions. If you get locked out or assets aren't visible, clear cache, confirm the invited email accepted the invitation, and then reassign roles. Business verification documents often resolve persistent access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.